In a significant shift in the Zimbabwean political landscape, Minnie Chiwenga has issued a rare public response to the persistent attacks from Temba Mliswa. The tension, which has been building for weeks, centers on accusation that the vice president's wife has been exercising undue influence over military structures. Mliswa's claims have suggested a growing rift within the presidium, dragging the nation's generals into public discourse. Sadabda mashoko obdanyi kopangwa na chinzi. Minnie Chiwenga warns Mliswa to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipida mnambo obdanyi kwa mchinzi. The most striking element of this exchange is Chiwenga's cryptic remark, Venezuela is very far from Zimbabwe. Analysts interpret this as a high-stakes warning to political rivals. By referencing the Venezuelan crisis, she signals that any attempt to orchestrate a leadership change or destabilize the vice president's household will face significant hurdles, emphasizing the resilience of their current position. Parallel to this personal feud is the broader debate over the EG20 agenda. While many youth organizations and university students have voiced their opposition to a term extension, other voices such as Linda Masarira have come forward to support the plan. Masarira's endorsement of the parliamentary election model for the presidents and extended terms has further polarized the conversation regarding Zimbabwe's democratic future. On the regional front, the update highlights the burial of national hero retired General Chidaya Munda, an event that saw the presence of country's top leadership. Simultaneously, news from South Africa confirms the upcoming state funeral for opposition leader Mosa Lord. These events underscore a period of significant transition and mourning across Southern African region. Finally, the broadcast touches on the arrival of the new technology in the form of electric vehicles in South African market. Toma developments arikuda pangwa ine tiona kuti aiwa mini baloi opindura aiwa kuna Temba Mliswa achimpa signal ekuti yes, they are doing what they are doing, but they are risking their lives. Pinangome section medu dzafungura aim to pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinangome section medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.